I'm Ami Balos, your friendly real estate partner. At kung pangarap mong magkaroon ng sariling bahay, let me share something special with you. Imagine living in a community that's not just about houses, pero isang Japanese-inspired neighborhood na tahimik, safe at maaliwalas. Yan ang makukuha mo sa Minami Residences, General Trias, Cavite. Dito, lahat ng kailangan mo nasa paligid lang. Malapit sa upcoming SM General Trias for shopping at family bonding. May access sa Cavitex at Calax kaya mas mabilis ang biyahe papuntang trabaho o weekend trips. At may schools at hospitals nearby for your family's daily needs. So kung gusto mo ng bahay na may magandang community, great location at long-term investment, dito ka na sa Minami Residences. I'm Ami Balos. Message me today and let's make your dream home a reality.